I think it is too. I don't think it's even just always when it's confusing. I think people are, they just don't, they don't know. So somebody takes the headline and then they're going to run with it. So I say we kind of dig into that on this episode. Like maybe even like what's like the biggest difference between artificial intelligence and automation?
Yeah, I just did a post last night and I tagged you in it, but I couldn't tag it from my phone, so it just has your name in it. But
where's that post at?
In LinkedIn, and it was an article, and the title of the article: Will AI replace humans in the workplace? And yeah, I've been doing a lot of research, as I told you prior to this call or this podcast, spending tons of time playing with ChatGPT, looking at what's coming, understanding how it's affecting the world. As you know, we have some new tech coming as well. Ironically, we're working with ChatGPT, within ChatGPT on some of what we're doing. And so ChatGPT is basically a robot. It's artificial intelligence. And what I wrote was, people worried a long time ago about the internet. You know, I always like to tell this story. When I was in college, the mid-90s, early to mid-90s, and I had a professor show us this new thing called Yahoo and AOL. Yeah, that's a true story. I'm old, just like you. We're about the same age. I remember looking at it and being kind of confused by it. And so I would imagine when the calculator first came out, people were probably confused by that.
Absolutely.
Or like the automobile or whatever, you know, and that's kind of how I'm looking at AI and ChatGPT. It's progress, and we don't really need to understand it as much. You know, we just need to adapt to it, embrace the changes that are coming, because they're definitely coming. This thing isn't going to slow down. So I remember when we first did a BDC and we started hitting the internet leads, everyone was like, no, they're giving away my gross and all this other stuff, and it's scary, and, you know, maybe you're not going to need salespeople anymore. No. So I'll leave you. I mean, I will start with this, right? Not leave you. AI versus automation. There's been automations for quite a while.